I had my snow tires taken off of my car and the summer tires put on it. And during that process, one of the rear wheel lugs snapped when the lug bolt was being taken off. So I did a quick check on the internet, and it would have been anywhere from like 70 to $120 to replace this. And it's a fairly simple thing to do. I've done it once before on a different vehicle. I have most of the tools to do the job. I didn't have a good way to pull the new lug bolt through the hub, and I decided to try to make a homemade tool and use a spacer and then use the nut to try to draw the lug through. Uh, Unfortunately, it didn't work. I was hoping it would, but it didn't. That necessitated a trip to a hardware store. Went to the hardware store, got the parts, came back home, uh, put the washer and the nuts on there, and I was able to then thread the outer nut on over the washer, draw the stud through the hub fully, and put the tire back into place.
Now, as he approaches the end of his project, he will do the reverse of what he did, dismantling the assembly. He will place the disc back on, reinstall the caliper, and reinstall the wheel and all lug nuts. He then will lower the vehicle back down and take it for a test drive.